Alright, so here we go, Carnival Magic 1355, your room tour. This is actually the first time that I've had this category of room. We are all the way down on deck number 1. I think I'm going to start from the far end of the room, which is a little different than my other cabin tours, but we have my bed here. No, it's not a balcony, but it is an obstructed view. Oh, I get a little echo there. Obstructed view. You can see Mr. Guy working on something over here, but hopefully we'll have a different view once we pull out of port. So we have my bed here. We have Aunt June's bed because I'm cruising with my aunt. We have our TV here. I just turned it off. We actually have our schedules here for our John Heald cruise, because this is John Heald's FFS number 7. So we already have those, and our lanyards already in our room here. Okay, all of our storage. Right, you see my backpack already down here. More storage. I would love all the hangers. I'd love to hang up all of my shirts and t-shirts and formal wear. All right. You got your life jackets in here, another closet, nice and spacious. Okay, our phone. We have a hairdryer, an empty drawer, another empty drawer, and another empty drawer. Of course, if there's anything in here, you guys are going to see it first with me. All right, we have all of our laundry stuff, as you guys have seen on previous videos, how to do your laundry on Carnival if you're platinum or diamond, or if you just want to pay for it. We have our little mini fridge here, which is not too cool. That's okay. And, oh yeah, here we go. Carnival's brand new feature, the microwave. You just have to know the certain code and put your things in here, like a burrito or something, close it, and yeah, you got your microwave. All right, and now, our little sitting couch. And what is super cool about this room is behind door number 1, we have Aunt June's bathroom, which is going to be the tub, right? No toilet in here, but a nice shower and tub. And behind door number 2, you say, well, what is this? Well, this is your traditional Carnival bathroom. Okay, just like normal. And you see it here, the shower curtain that is going to stick to your butt. But we have 1 and we have 2 bathrooms. Technically, not really bathrooms, but 2 showers in this category of cabins. It is technically a deluxe ocean view, and I either normally go interiors or I go balconies with Richie, but my aunt had a really good deal on this deluxe ocean view, and we got a deluxe ocean view with 2 bathrooms. Well, 2 shower places. Okay, don't come at me. But first time that I've ever been in this style of room, this cabin category, and looks like it's going to be a nice, spacious, and fun cruise. So this was the tour of 1355 on the Carnival Magic. If you are booking this room, this is exactly what it is. 1355 Carnival Magic.
Get your buckle and butterly and diet less calories and take your seat. Silent